What's up and good morning, guys. Welcome back to another video. Yes, I came in a little hot on that one because number one, it feels good to be back home. Vegas and SEMA was absolutely awesome, but let me tell you guys, it definitely wears you down. And I know I haven't mentioned it in previous videos, but I want to give a special thank you to every single one of you guys. And we're talking hundreds of you guys that came up to us at SEMA, wanted pictures with me and the whole crew. It really makes us feel special. And we appreciate every single one of you guys that are fans of the channel, fans of our truck, fans of Gunner. Gunner, come here, buddy. Say hi. I haven't seen you in a week, man. You got a sweet new hammerhead shark. Yeah, you're excited, huh, buddy? And I don't even want to look at my decal station right now, but we got a ton of decals that I need to make. And speaking of decals, we should probably at some point in this video have a new product reveal for you guys. So you're going to want to see that. And we might as well, since we are here, say hello to the mini horse. Well, hello, horse. Hello, did you miss us too? I know, we've been gone for so long. You gonna say hi to everybody? Yeah, maybe. We're gonna stretch out? There you go. All right, yep, stretch it out. Nice and good, there you go. Now, you can probably tell by what I'm driving that, well, the Denali didn't come back with us. I think we had kind of covered that in the last video. Well, the Denali's still not here. So I absolutely hate the fact that I have left the Denali behind, not being able to be there when it's getting loaded up with the freight company. But I've got word that we're supposed to be getting it delivered today. So I'm not holding my breath until I see anything in person, but supposedly the Denali's coming back. Even though Gunner's a little further back from me, I think he appreciates the fact that the SEMA Tahoe actually has rear AC, whereas my truck or either of my trucks don't. So I feel like we haven't been here in forever either, but we've just made it back to HQ. And one thing I noticed yesterday on the SEMA Tahoe is, looks like Wheezy's not the only one that got their wheel stepped on. I don't know if you can see it at this angle, but you can see this wheel is pretty chewed up on the inside there. And why anybody would step on a wheel that doesn't even have a lip in it, I do not understand, but apparently we fell victim to it too. But anyways, let's go show you guys the new product I am super proud to announce. And it's in that box right there, and I know you guys are thinking maybe it's these Easy Ups. And a lot of you guys have shown interest in wanting to order an Easy Up, and I'm very grateful for that. Unfortunately, these Easy Ups are very expensive to have custom made. So they end up costing a little over like $1,000 a piece. So, I mean, if you guys still want them at that price, let me know. But like I said, they're very expensive. I don't see us really bringing these to workforapparel.com. But luckily for you, we've got these. Let's see. And I just dropped my sunglasses. But check this out. A lot of you guys have been asking for the American flag work for it decal in the extra large, so we've gone ahead and made them. I don't remember the exact dimensions off the top of my head. Let's see if we got a tape measure here. But we are roughly 46.5 by, we'll call that 6.5 to be safe. So all you gotta do if you want one of these XL decals is head on over to workforapparel.com. There'll be a link right there, as well as one down in the description. That way you guys don't have to click off this video. Well, I hate to say it, but today didn't really go as planned. Unfortunately, I was told by the shipper yesterday that my truck would be here today. I finally got a hold of the shipper by the end of the day today. They said, oh yeah, we meant to contact you earlier. Your truck is scheduled to be delivered tomorrow. So there goes the whole wasted day expecting to have my truck back today. And the crappy thing is, like, I'm trying to get back into going to the gym, like, seriously. And it really sucks when my gym closed and my headphones are in my truck in Vegas. This has been enjoyable. But like I was saying, the good news is, I mean, I guess you can call it good news. I now have time to crank out a bunch of work for decals and really get caught up on the backlog. So that's what I'm gonna be spending the rest of the night doing. We will see you guys tomorrow. Well, you know, I don't think I ever should have mentioned that I hate two-day videos because it seems like that's becoming a very common occurrence now. But good news is, I just finished up at the gym. Other good news is, I got a call a little while ago from the shipper saying my truck will be here, I'm guessing within the hour or so. And I'm nervous, guys. I don't know how it's tied down. I really hope they didn't go through the wheels. I specified, do not put straps through the wheels. I don't know. The shipper's like, hey man, I didn't realize this thing was this big. I'm like, well, I listed it was a 12 to 14 inch lift. He's like, yeah, I forgot to take into account the size of the tires added to the height. So I don't know, we're gonna see how this goes. But right now we're gonna go meet up with Wes, and you know, we haven't seen him since we got back from SEMA. Well, actually we have, but we haven't. So some of y'all are gonna get mad at me, but we are at In-N-Out. But you Texans can't get that mad because we were playing some Cody Canada. Well, we were playing some cross-Canadian ragweed, even though I know it's Oklahoma, Texas, whatever. It's a little bit of both. We've got the man, the myth, the legend right here. I guarantee he's on offer up right now. Are we selling truck parts?
Hey, hold on a second, I'm on the phone.
Well, got a food order for Wes. Oh, I think he's coming. See him right there. Guess I'm not gonna have to eat alone. See if he spots us. Hey buddy, that's your cup.
Thanks, man.
I don't know what you drink,
Pink lemonade.
Oh, yeah, right? Yeah, we got the pink lemonade going on too. Can't tell me what a burger looks better than that. And of course this one's fine because I eat like a 5-year-old. My hamburgers, just ketchup on. Well, story of my life. On the way to the warehouse, the shipper just texted me saying he got a flat tire on his trailer, just got it fixed, but now he's gonna be sitting in rush hour traffic, and we should hopefully see the truck early evening if we're lucky. I'm telling you guys, can't win with my luck. So I just ran upstairs to drop a deuce. I heard a bunch of commotion while I was on the toilet, and I come downstairs to a full exhaust system sitting here, and nobody in the warehouse. I guess Wes failed to mention that an exhaust showed up today. Yo, what's up, boys?
Jesus Christ.
What? Oh, we're just gonna downplay
hours.
that you've had an exhaust sitting in your truck all day? You didn't tell me?
Nah, well, I already told you it got delivered when we were at SEMA.
Well, I didn't know we were bringing it. So what are you looking at here, Wes? What do we got, bro? I mean,
One of the subscribers, he hit me up, and apparently he had a either the same year truck or whatever, but it's the same engine, 6.2, and he had bought the Borla ATAC dual exhaust setup for his truck. He recently traded it in on a diesel. So he hit me up on Instagram and said, hey bro, if you're interested, I'll fucking give it to you. So I was like, well, you know, let me know what you want for it or whatever. And he wouldn't put a number, refused to take any payment, and even covered shipping on his own dime. So we got the Borla ATAC. He also sent a throttle body spacer that he had
nice,
along with all the clamps. His name was Josh JLee_1000 on Instagram.
can we just give a shout out to all how badass that all of our subscribers and fans are? You guys are awesome. I mean, that's sick, dude. Wouldn't even let you pay shipping.
Yeah, I kept asking like, hey man, just let me know how much shipping is. He's like, no, don't worry about it.
Look at that flex.
Did he even put an exhaust on it?
This thing's pre-runner. Well, since we're waiting for the shipper, we've got everybody showing up at the warehouse. We've got who once was Duramax Barbecue. Now he's Vortec Barbecue. What's the 5.3?
It's like Ecotech now.
Ecotech Barbecue. What's up, Ecotech Barbecue?
We're keeping Duramax Barbecue.
Are you keeping the name?
Yeah.
Oh, all right.
I'll be back.
So this is his new rig. Holy crap, dude. Jeez.
It's got an Arizona trip on it.
Good Lord. Well, Wes is already tearing it apart, but give us a tour, buddy. Show us what we got here.
So it's a 2014 LT. It's got the King coilovers in the front.
Are these just direct replacement on that? We got some
Like
Baja Designs upper arms. It's like a
Yep.
mid-ish travel, or is it? All right, it's mid-travel.
It also raises it like 2 inches. 2.5
Yeah.
inches.
I'm swapping out the wheels and tires this week. It's got Methods MVs like my old truck. I hate BFG. I will never buy BFGs. So those are gonna go. So if anybody wants them. All right. Burnout tires.
Ooh.
It's got a K&N intake, but I've got an AFE waiting at home for it. And then I just put a MagnaFlow on it. Cloth, 4-wheel drive.
How many miles you got on there?
62.
All right.
So it's got the amp steps that are gonna go to Bryant, hopefully.
Yeah, it's a little too low for needing steps.
Yeah, I've hit my knee on that thing a few times. It's already ready for E85, so that's good. Got to debadge it, and then needs a work for it sticker.
So yeah, the reason we pulled it in the warehouse right now is obviously I need some pictures for the Work For website of our new XL decal. So we're gonna end up putting one on Ryan's truck right now, and it'll be a good way to show you guys that yes, you can put our big decals on windows that have the slider in it. Well, things quickly escalated around here from we were just gonna slap a sticker on the back window of Ryan's truck to, well, we fully washed it, going around taking all the stickers off, debadging it over on this side. Isn't that fun when it's cold?
It's not bad.
Does it feel good on your hands?
Oh yeah.
Wes is dying to get the Z71 stickers off there. He does not like that.
I hated these on.
So it's fairly simple to install these on split windows. If you've got a flat glass window, it's super easy. Obviously just measure it up to where you want it, make sure everything's in line and straight and you're good. So I've done that now. Now what all I'm gonna do is I'm gonna follow this edge of the glass right there, and I'm just gonna make a nice straight cut on both sides, and then this piece will just lay back on whatever this 3/4 inch difference is here, and it'll all end up lining up. So you do wanna take your time, nice and steady.
Really? Get out of here.
Nice straight line. Check the other side. Now I can sit at home all day and do nothing. Phone won't ring once.
Really?
Second I start doing something. So that was the shipper that just called. Apparently, he's supposed to be here already. The time he gave us was the time it took to get to the city 2 hours away from us. He didn't realize that was punching his GPS, not coming to us. So now we're delayed another couple hours. He doesn't want to drive right now because it's bumper to bumper traffic. So he'd rather pull off on the side of the road, wait an hour, jump back into traffic, which means we're not going to see my truck till very late tonight. And I don't have a real squeegee, so we're improvising with a couple of rewards cards here taped together. So all you gotta do is pull the backing off here, slice it, don't cut your window. Now these are all 3M air release vinyl, which means you shouldn't get air bubbles in it. They got little micro holes throughout the whole thing, but I'm still going to do my best to apply it as if we could get air bubbles, because you never know. And you always want to work one half at a time. That way everything stays put and lined up before you put it. Pull the tape off here, we'll do the other side. And don't mind the footprints on this one. Wes stepped on it earlier.
I did. He had them in the most convenient spot in the middle of the shop's floor.
Looking good. Now we did just have somebody reach out. Apparently they have seen the truck on the road. So we've got, I don't know how well that shows up. Maybe we could turn it. Nope, nope, all right. There's the old BBB on the back of a trailer. I hate seeing it like that. Well, I'm kind of done giving like this much time has passed updates on the this video, but we're back at the warehouse. We all just went and ate, and we picked up our good buddy Gunner. Hi, Gunner. Get all the lights turned back on here. Ryan's truck is still in here. I did just get an update from the shipper saying he should be here any minute. He updated me about 30 minutes ago saying he was 30 minutes away. So fingers crossed this actually ends up being real. I just want my truck back, guys. It's been a nightmare. And the problem is, once we get it back, we still gotta figure out what's wrong with it. He just texted me, he's here. Chris is running down the street there. I mean, Chris could have just walked out the front because he's probably in the front of the building. I see a truck pulling up. Oh man. There she is. I see her. All right, well, I'm not sure. Well, jeez. Yes, sir. Apparently he wants to drop the truck on the street. I don't know what's wrong with this super nice straight alley, but okay. Well, here she is, guys. 8 days later.
I know what you're thinking.
You know what I'm thinking?
She looks as pretty as she did when I left her.
Well, I sure hope so. Did you fix the problem for me while you were on the road?
Yeah, I worked it out.
Oh, you got it right?
The bounce thing kind of took care of it.
Oh, good.
And now she's fine. It just need a little break in, that's all. And I'll be damned if I didn't get okie doke.
Oh, what is that?
Well, because they told me I had to drop the one that was going up here. They told me it has a 12-inch lift. They did say they had 44-inch tires, but I'm not computing what the 44-inch tires look like.
They're only 40s, and it makes you feel better.
I couldn't even believe it was street legal. It took me about 2 hours to load it because I couldn't risk driving the bitch off the side. I gotta be honest, it's not very often that I sweat loading and unloading. I couldn't put the straps through here either.
No, I appreciate that you did.
Yeah, I mean,
I was worried about that.
I was wondering how I was gonna deal. I was gonna end up having to use shirts.
Well, I'm glad they did, because I've seen a lot of ruined wheels from straps to the wheels.
Hang out with Dad, his friends.
What's up?
Say hi to the camera. Say hi to the camera. How's it feel to have her back?
I wish it was fixed and I had her back, but
She's not fixed, she's running.
careful, it might accelerate on its own. Honestly, guys, it feels strange to be back in this truck. But I'm just glad to have her back here to where we could start tinkering with it. I'm gonna get Zach over here. He's gonna bring his scanner. We're gonna see all the lights are obviously still on right there. and all the warnings did pop up when I started the truck on the trailer right there to pull it off. All right, service trailer brake system. Change engine oil, washer fluid low, StabiliTrak watch. Maybe it's like our washer fluid's low, so we got an issue. Oh, jeez. Oh, sorry, Gunner. Sorry. GM. Make sure ignition is on. Yes. All right, diagnostics. Maybe that's the one we're looking for. Trouble codes. Read DTCs. Retrieving trouble codes.
No codes found.
No codes found. That's a lie. Well, so far Wes's Amazon one's not reading anything either.
Amazon, this shit's name brand. What are you talking
Oh, that's name brand?
Yeah.
How many Fukushikis is in that name brand? So one of us is underneath the truck checking everything out. Two of us are just kind of hanging out, right, Gunner? Gunner, I think you're getting in Wes's way over there, buddy. Oh, okay. All right, you gonna lay right there. All right, there you go. Work together, all right, boys? All right, well, I'm finally happy to have my truck back here. 8 days without it has been too long. Hopefully tomorrow we can start cracking into it. Like I said, we were just crawling under it around today, trying to see if there's anything weird. Nothing looked weird, so it's gonna take a little bit more digging. I'm hoping it's just a sensor or something that went wrong, but we don't know. We'll see. We'll see. So with that, guys, we're going to wrap up this video. As always, thank you guys so much for watching. If you're not subscribed already, please click the subscribe button now that we do not miss out on any future content. Don't forget to give this video a like, a thumbs up. Don't forget to check out workforapparel.com because, well, we do have the new giant Workfor decals in stock, as well as a bunch of other stuff. You guys are the best. I'm out.
Damn. Yeah. Yeah.